Fail.
All
Casey versus Mali, di ba team versus Chado yun? Team versus Chado. 13 on the shot clock. 3-point short. Areglo may out ng bola. 2 minutes and 10 seconds remaining in the fourth and final quarter. Areglo to the paint. No good. Rebound ni Santos. Santos. Shot clock is at 12. Santos nakita si Espadero. 10 to shoot. Espadero grab into the paint. Layup is no good. Rebound ni Bernardo. Bernardo nagmamadali. 2v1 situation. 3v1 situation. Bernardo akin na to. No good. Rebound ni Santos. Save. Nakuha ni Bernardo. Wow.
Ay, wala mag-aawa.
Number 13. We do not promote violence. Sabi ni Casey, suntukan daw.
Boss, matulog.
Huling suntukan mo, namagay mata mo kay
Boss,
Charles.
matulog. Matulog. Baka kasi biglang gumalang ulit. Baka biglang bumagsak pagkagaling.
Bola. Ayan na.
Ipapadoon mo. Para-
Technical po ang team
para-
build.
Ganyan gawin mo lang left and right lang.
Okay, sige. Photographer talaga kayo si Spider-Man. Talagang natural photographer.
Liwanag tumanggap ng bola with 18 to shoot. 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining. 14 to shoot. Liwanag to the paint. No good. May 18 to shoot. Nakipagkagawa ang buko. Ang buko. Nakuha ni Santos. Santos ang mamadali. Santos. Pass to the corner. On the tree. Score is now 67 to 61. Bernardo nagmamadali. Bernardo driving to the paint. Wow!
Counted!
This is basketball, ladies and gentlemen. This is what we like to see. May yabangan, may trastokan, may pisikalan. Number 7. 8. Number 8, pati na si Rios. First personal foul, third team foul. Third team foul. Team foul. Team foul, huy! Second team foul. Bernardo bonus shot is good. Score is 67 to 64. Last 1 minute remaining in the fourth and final quarter. Anyone's ball game. Arreglo driving to the paint. Napitawan mo. Ultimate and Santos corner three. No good. Napalakas. Nakita ang bola. Kandas. Bernardo. Bernardo 48 seconds remaining in the fourth and final quarter. Bernardo natin na mapitawan. 18 to shoot. 43 seconds remaining. Liwanag. Pull up three. In and out. Rebound Rios. Back. Binigay kay Arreglo. 32 seconds remaining in the fourth and final quarter. 14 to shoot. Arreglo. Picked up by Gab. 10 to shoot. Arreglo. Slips past Gab. Grab pass in Liwanag. 20 seconds remaining. Yan na si Liwanag. Pull up three. Short. Nakuha pa. Liwanag. 12 seconds remaining in the fourth and final quarter. Penalty. Wala pa. Wala pa penalty, di ba, James? Wala pa penalty, di ba? Wala pa penalty pa ron. 12 seconds po. 12 seconds remaining. Namang ng tatlo. Foul! Warning for penalty. Team Maroon. Ay, hindi pa. Sorry. 13 foul pa lang. 13 foul. Hindi ko nakita eh. 10 seconds remaining. Foul, number 25. Warning for penalty. 25. 25 foul. Warning for penalty pa lang, ref. Turnover. Time out, ref. Time out, Maroon. And we're back to the ball game. Possession, Team Maroon.
Sinelty.
Nate man, huwag ka dito. At baka masaltok kita. Gab, pinaside Bernardo. Muntik na backward. 5 seconds to shoot. Bernardo, quick three. No foul is called.
Marge.
1 second remaining.
Ang galing.
Ano ginagawa mo?
Naka-out. Biglang pag
Hawakan mo, hawakan mo.
flash shot. Biglang naman.
Hawakan, itulak mo.
Ano ba yung Spider-Man? Hindi na, natanggal lang bigla. Spider-Man, pwede ba naman
Dalawang disaster.
Spider-Man?
Pakina, inayos ko nga eh.
Yung isang disaster, nag-justify ng gawain niya. Spider-Man versus the Dark Knight.
Finally, 6-7.
1 second remaining. Warning for penalty on Team Maroon. Possession pa rin ng Team Maroon. Can send this to overtime. Yuwanak! Tony Nichols! No good! Our final score, 67 to 64. Kill daw, sabi ni Kuya Maki. Our next game, Team Blue versus Team White.
Titignan ko kung may pakarin.
Pero kung wala tubig lang.
Apal, apal. Picture, picture.
Guys, team picture. Black team na, una na kayo. Black team picture. Vince, team picture.
Ang isang bola.
Ilang points? 1, 2, 3. Team picture, black. After ng black team, red team picture. Red team picture please, gitna. Red team. Dance, team picture. Okay, sige na. Red team picture. Red team picture. Gitna. Red team picture.